Got Sizzling ladies, muscle cars, and hot rods coming up. There's a sassy looking babe in a 1936 Chevrolet pickup street rod. Well, there's a sweet lady here in a 1946 Dodge Custom pickup. As a disabled senior citizen and a U.S. veteran, I've been producing videos for several years now for free. YouTube continues to refuse to pay me for my work. Therefore, I am now accepting $1 cash donations or more if you're comfortable with it. Please, no checks. Please send your donation to the address listed. Thank you for your support. Ooh-wee. There's a sizzling beauty in a 1956 Chevrolet Corvette gasser race car. Here's her damsel here in a 1966 Ford Fairlane 500 XL Custom 2-door hardtop. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. That's in the show, folks. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.